Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to insert a watermark and to remove a watermark in a document which is in Microsoft Word. Here we are going to start with this document. I have here, I just choose it randomly. I'm going to insert a watermark. A watermark, it is a symbol. It can be a word or an image insert in our document to identify that that document is yours. So to insert that watermark, you have to pass in different steps as I'm going to show you. The first step, you have to come to designing, press design. After pressing design, okay, just come here to watermark. When you reach here to watermark, here there's some example they give you. You can choose one of them. But for us, as a company or a person, you have to make your own watermark. To make it, you have to press to watermark. And the watermark can be, as I told you, can be a word or a picture. If you want to insert a watermark, which is a word, just come here, text watermark here. When you press here, they can ask you, you want to put a watermark which is in English. Here you have text. Here you have the font of the watermark, the size, color, and the layout. For example, for us, let us put the watermark we want to be Scott. Let me put it Scott as a watermark, and the font, let me keep it as, for example, let me change it, then I put it as in Algerian. Let me take it font as Algerian. Here there's the size. You can change the size of your watermark as you wish. For example, let me put it at 22. Okay, this will be the size. And here there's the color. Sometimes you have to choose the color for your watermark. If you want, let me take red, maybe red to be more visible. And you can choose the layout. If you want it to be horizontal, you just press here. If you want to be in diagonal, just press here. Then after press apply. When you press apply, as you can see, the watermark is here. This is the watermark as I put it. As you can see, it is still too small. Let me try to make this down small. See? As you can see, our text, it is passing through the watermark. That is not visible. Let me put our watermark below. Here it is our watermark, and this is how you can put a watermark in a document. If you want, you can make it horizontal as I told you. You can just come here and change. And as you can see, it is not too much big. Let me change the size to 36. Then you see our watermark, it is below, and it is looking like this. This is how you can put a watermark in a document. The next step we are going to do is just to remove a watermark. To remove a watermark, it is very simple, and it will look like the way you put a watermark is just to come to design, then press watermark, and here there's a place which is right, remove watermark. If you press on it, the watermark disappears or it is removed. So this is how you can put a watermark in a Word document and remove it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, make comment, and share.